Sorry about the noise and the workmen and outside working. This is my off-camera mix. That is a dress similar to the maxi dress that I made on camera, but this one was shorter, so there's a pair of leggings behind it which match. There's a top there. You can't see it too well, but it's... You can't see it too well, but it's got a lacy sleeves and a lacy back to it. And behind it is a skirt to match it. Next we have a short sleeve top and you can possibly see the back is lower than the front and it's lacy, but you'll see me wearing these off and on at times. Next to it I made a pair of leggings out of this blue material the other year, so I've now made a top that matches, and the back again you can see is sort of lacy. This is just a plain t-shirt dress, very simple, very easy, more or less all of it done on the serger apart from the edging. This is stretch maroon velvet and it's got a lacy back to it, well, a different coloured back to it, and also leggings as well, top and leggings. There's a short dress in the flowers, and I wasn't too keen on this material, so I thought, well, I'll make it into a t-shirt and a pair of shorts for knocking around in the garden. So I won't mind if they get snagged, pulled, dirty, creased, whatever. I don't mind because I'm not too keen on the pattern. Spotty gold top with a lacy back, white leggings and some check trousers. And this is a birthday present from my daughter. It isn't yet her birthday is next week, but so she might see this and know what she's getting. It's a pair of pyjama trousers, top and a dressing gown, knee-length dressing gown, all in the satin type fabric. I have made another one exactly the same for my mother as a thank you present, but she's had it, but I did take a photograph of it, so I'll put that at the end of this. But that's just a quick show because I've got to get on and start doing things that I bought from the butchers and the grocery shop yesterday. Thank you, bye.